Yeah, my beautiful people, guess what? I'm about to go at the river to take a swim today, you know what I mean? So guys, I want you to just stay tuned for this epic video, you know what I mean? Don't know, see me can cool down myself in a river in idea. Yeah man, you don't know my stepson I go hold the camera for me, you know. See the boss, eh? Yeah man. Look like my weak man, look like me need some coffee porridge, be a stagger. No sir. I'm a junk. I'm in India drink nothing. Don't know the water them kinda, you know? Not that 100, but I'm gonna get myself a swim. Yeah guys, look at that. Yo guys, you see that? Yo, look at that guys. I'm gonna let my stepson take a video of me and me just, you know, take a swim in a heat. You see, pray. Floor. Guess what? My stepson said, don't bother swim at that little part. You know? He said, yo, I forgot you on a rock. You on a rock and more attraction for you guys. So hear what guys? You're gonna hear from him and hear what he gonna say, now me.
On a rock more deeper, so around there some more powerful.
You see it? So your boss has around this at the spot guys. No worry about it. The boss kinda shy, you know. You see me? Yeah man, but we out here without fear. You see me? That is Kevin. And don't know. Yeah man, and this is DJ SWICKED vlog. So stay tuned guys. Him just come from school. And you don't know we about to go and take a swim. But I tell yourself you do my boss. Tell yourself to keep share, like and subscribe.
Keep share, like and subscribe and comment.
Alright? The right thing. Right now me on the back road. You know I'm heading to round a rock, you know what I mean? See me? This is not no slingshot or no bingy. Nah, here you must be sleeping. Bridge, you know, I told you that say you must be madding. Yeah, guys. You don't know that's the vibes. Right now, we're down a rock, you know, guys. You see, pre? Yeah, man, I don't rock with it right now, guys. You don't know that's the vibes. Yeah, man. Be attraction, you see me? Yeah man, be a niceness, as my stepson say guys. So yeah man, I don't know so me about to go take a swim. You see me? Yeah man, so don't worry about it guys. All good. Natural sweet vibes, you know what I mean? Yeah guys, I hope you like that video today. Some crazy crayfish and anything there down at them place, you know guys. Yeah man, so you don't know the vibes go. Yeah man. I wonder if I'm lucky if you see no crayfish are changed too. Yeah, man, but that's our vibes, guys. I've been careful how I'm stepping on because we are sliding, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Look on the water, guys. Yeah, man, like more take a swim too, you know, guys. Yeah, man, don't worry about it. Australian peeps, them, and New York peeps, them. Don't worry about it, man. Yeah man, all of the vloggers them see them, we don't worry about it. We have them little nice spot at it. In a year castle. You see pray? Yeah man. Don't know it's a vibes, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Right from year castle scheme, you see it? That's how watch part we can come hang out and cook, you know. All them great colors they will like cook. A man they can come cook in a river, you say, you know. Yo! It's a vibes guys. Yeah man, see all the man farm over there so they and them thing there guys. Yeah man, I be in nature. Look up there so bamboo root there up on rock side and them thing there guys. Yeah man, look on them rock there up there so and them thing there guys. Yeah man. Place are cool, you know. Yeah man, I can carry a woman come to them place come, you know. Chill out and make baby too, you see me? No joke. This is not no chicken or pork. Know what I mean? Yeah guys, look there guys. It's a buzz. That's the my stepson, what I must say. Yeah, man, loan attraction, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Right now, I'm up on the scheme.
Yeah, guys! It's the best! Go!
One time I could have bought back yourself. You don't know if it's still again.
Yo! Woo! Yeah! Woo!
One time this time,
From the beer! So see you guys in another